There's a C in northbound coming. Here's train number 3 for this week.
I'm confused.
I'm putting my earbuds on just so you know. I just usually in the loud. I'm gonna unbuckle for a minute so I can read.
The signal's not on.
The signal's gonna yellow red. Oh man, it might stop.
It usually does.
Shit. Doesn't it go when it's yellow? Or can it still go when it's yellow red?
Yeah.
Cool guys, just turning up with the wish you can order Coke. Pepsi. Pepsi Pop drink is good guys. Just so you know, this is Friday train. This is not one of the bonus. So far it was just one bonus this week. So here's train number 3 for this week. Friday night. Cool, one of the Friday night northbounds. I'm guessing it's 2022 with double stacks. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. You see a light yet?
It's not very close yet. It's probably slowing down.
Oh, I see the light, guys. He's coming.
It's probably slowing down. You're going to have a 10-minute video before a train again.
What?
It's going to be 10 minutes before that train again.
Yeah, but the signal was yellow red. When the signal's on, it's close, you know?
It's relatively close, but I think it's slowing down to stop.
I hope not, because I haven't. It shouldn't, because I think it will, but you know what, guys? Hold on. I just want to find out. The lights are moving pretty quick. Doesn't it look like the lights are coming quick?
I honestly can't tell.
Let me see. Hold on, guys. I have to come to. Whoa! Time is it? Oh, so this is a northbound Friday night. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna turn it off. Wait, hold on. How close is he? Nah, not that.
He's getting there.
Huh?
He's getting there now.
Is he moving? He's not?
He's
not
moving, I just don't know how fast.
Huh?
He's moving, I just don't know how fast.
Oh. Oh yeah, guys, he's moving. Here he comes. Not real fast. Well, the signal is yellow red. I think it's usually supposed to. Oh yeah, it's going fast. It comes, huh?
He's gonna come through.
Oh, shit. Yeah, we're not gonna be first and roll, but that's alright. Wait a sec. Yeah, nope. Son of a bitch. Fucking idiot.
Don't worry about it. I'll pull up right here. Watch.
Oh, can I get the number?
You can see the number.
Yeah. Can you get the number when it comes out?
Fine.
CN.
Huh?
2200.
2200.
2200. CN 2200, guys. Cool, wait. Alright, I'm gonna take my earbuds off now. I got new ones, cool. I put them in the ear now, because here's the train.
Where'd you get the new...
Huh?
Where'd you get the new hearing things?
With Grandma. Cool, guys. It's not 2023 at least. So here's train number 3 for this week, guys. Pretty cool, huh? Double stack, I knew it. Always a double stack, you know? You know, Dad? It's just every time with the intermodal train. Cool guys, here's a video for YouTube tonight. Oh guys, I got bad news. We're not going to be able to stick around that too long. I mean, my siblings have a soccer game tomorrow. It sucks. It's nuts, but let's see how long we can. Plus, there was a big restaurant earlier past. We missed it, but that's alright. Here's train number 3. It's a long one. Hope he doesn't stop. I mean, might, but long train, guys.
He ain't gonna stop.
He's slowing down pretty quick, but. Oh, guys, guess what? It's pretty cool. There's more double stats coming, I think. Snoke, what the hell does Snoke mean? Oh guys, you know what I'm planning on doing? Going pretty close to touch like a sidewalk. That's why I want to put my earplugs in. Yeah, earplugs help, right?
I guess.
Huh?
I guess.
Yep, they do. Can I say mole? Yeah, but alligator on it. Nice. I don't know if I'm gonna go close to catch tonight, guys. It's raining and I don't want to go too close, you know. We'll see, okay? We'll see what tonight brings. Yang, mine. There was a female cop that pulled someone over earlier. Alright, guys.
Stop.
Huh?
Might stop. It's pretty long.
What?
Either they're gonna stop or they're gonna creep on into the yard now.
Yeah. The double stack, the intermodal trains always stop, you know? It's just insane. There's more double, you see the end yet? Alright. Not yet? Okay. We deliver. Oh, what? Don't intermodals have numbers on them? Maybe not. I thought they did it. It's 53. There's one that's 191. See if we find any 11s. Plus, we had an auction tonight, guys. His name's Hank. They're idiots because they don't sell a lot of things. It's ridiculous, guys. They had a couple train things I wanted. They didn't sell it. They didn't really sell it. They're just idiots. That's alright. So, train number 3 for this week. Long train, is it? Long?
Yeah, it's pretty long.
Is there a mirror engine?
No.
What if there was a mirror engine?
There isn't.
Huh?
There isn't.
Can it ever happen on this track?
I suppose.
I mean, I'm sure I've heard it had before.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't see any 11s, guys. But the 12, right after 11, let's see what the next one is. 12 again, what the hell? Single stats, more double stats, finally. I still don't see any 11s, guys. Give me a high five, that's awesome. See the end yet? High five. Bless you.
Nice.
What?
Where's the end?
You see the end? Oh, is it double stack or single stack?
Double.
Huh?
Double.
Awesome. High five, guys. Cool.
That's it right there. That's
Yep.
the end one.
There's the end, guys, right
Oh
there.
yeah, check it out.
Huh?
That's the end one. This old bag. Get ready to haul ass.
Huh?
Get ready to haul ass. She's pissing me off. I'm gonna stomp on it when
Are
the
you
gate
gonna
goes up.
beat him?
Oh yeah, we're gonna beat him.
Yeah. Gates, come on, go up. Don't take forever. You see another glow up there? Yeah. Maybe look. What?
It's a ditch?
Did you look?
I don't know.
Does it never glow up there?
No, I didn't see gloves.
Okay. Alright guys, it's off now.
Drop the phone though.
Let's check up here real quick.
No, I'm going down Griswold.
I know. Is there a way to turn around? Because there was a train coming?
Yeah, I do it all the time.
Okay.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, because if there was another train, sometimes
There's not another train.
I'm not filming with you most of the time. I'm mostly with you.
I know, but
Like sometimes
I'm just saying there's not another train.
Yeah, that's what
You
I'm.
should stop filming.
I know, but sometimes I want a big video to have 2 trains in it. I think that's it for now. Look.
Yeah.
What?
I can see the side of that train there.
Side? Which way is it pointing?
That's what we just seen.
Alright, that's all for now. We're in Michigan.